And a good evening to each and every one of you. Tropical update news with J7409 right now on Monday evening, the 2nd of July, 2018. Well, we see a little tropical swirl going on down here in the Gulf, right off the panhandle of Florida. This is set for 9 p.m. tonight. Could this turn into Tropical Storm Burl? I don't think so, but let's just check it out. It is showing up from the National Hurricane Center. This is the European model. We'll move up to around midnight tonight. We see what it's looking like here. Just a bunch of rain. Does it have any wind? Not very much at all. 10, 20 mile per hour winds. That's what it's looking like right now anyway. And we'll put it back and we'll move up to around Tuesday, around 8 a.m. tomorrow. Looks like it's got more rain in it. Lots of rain down around Mississippi, Biloxi, going up through Louisiana. Of course, some still is out here. Does it have any wind by midnight tonight? We'll check her on out. Still doesn't look too bad at all as far as the wind goes. Maybe 15 to 20 knots, okay? So just think about 25 mile per hour wind. Nothing nobody cannot handle. We'll move it on up a little further to 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. We see more convection has started with the rain. Looking like Mississippi right down in here is going to be getting some heavier showers from it. Checking the wind. Still, no big deal with the wind. That is a good thing. We'll move up a little further now to around 7 p.m. tomorrow night. Let's zip on up to midnight. The 4th of July. Well, there it is. It's coming into Louisiana. This is just a disturbed section of convection, okay? It's just a little convection going on with the humidity, the thunder showers, the way they're popping up, the heat, everything else. It's too close to shore to actually form into anything. Or that's what it's looking like right now. Now, as of 1:30 this afternoon from the National Hurricane Center, this system is showing up, as you can see right here. And what does it say about it? Disturbance number 1. It's looking kind of puny, though. As of 2 p.m. this afternoon, a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms extending from the north-central Gulf of Mexico across the western Florida Panhandle. And I've been telling you guys the Florida Panhandle is going to be getting rain, right? Well, this is from the disturbance right here. Now, it's associated with a broad area of low pressure and associated surface trough coming up from the Caribbean. Now, close proximity to land should prevent significant development of this system. Just like I told you. I hadn't even read this yet, folks, okay? Before it moves westward and inland over southeastern Louisiana tomorrow at some time. Regardless of the development, the system is forecast to produce locally heavy rainfall. And you saw all of the convection building just a while ago. Now, this rainfall should be along the portions of the northern Gulf Coast during the next couple of days. So anybody in that area, you're probably going to have a rainy 4th of July, okay? Additional information, if it comes about, I'll put it out. But the chance of anything forming, 10%. 2 days, 5 days, whatever. And in 5 days, it's still got it hanging around this area right here. But I think before 5 days is over, it will move on up into this area. So you guys just be aware from Mississippi to Alabama to Louisiana. Look out for some rain. It doesn't look like it's going to have much wind with it. Nothing that you cannot handle. Nothing that you are not used to. But you could get some very heavy downpours, maybe some flash flooding coming up. Some of the convection in those areas that we just looked at looked like some of it was pretty heavy. I'll keep my eyes on it and keep you informed, okay? But that's what's happening with this. Could it become Tropical Storm Burl? I don't think so. But I'll keep my eyes on it, all right? Hey, if you're not subscribed to Weather News with J7409, please subscribe, click the bell, get all the latest in weather news, forecast, watch warnings, alerts, and tropical updates as they come in. Y'all have a great evening. I love you all. Be safe this 4th of July week if you're out traveling. And the heat is horrendous. Don't forget the elderly, the handicapped, the children, and the pets. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. Everyone have a good evening. Peace, love, and kindness to all.